Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to use the dictation on the Mac. Let's get started. So very first thing you need to check is whether the dictation is enabled. So for that, what you can do is you can click on this Apple logo, go to System Settings, and within the System Settings, you can scroll down and select the keyboard. And within the keyboard, if you scroll bottom, you would be able to see dictation, and here you need to make sure that this checkbox is enabled. Once the checkbox is enabled, you can select the different information here, like the language that you want to dictate, the source of microphone. So I've selected the external microphone here. The shortcut key, like which shortcut key should activate the dictation. So I have set it as the command key should be pressed twice. So you can choose any other option here available, or you can also customize. So I am okay with this one. And auto punctuation, if you want the comma, full stop, etc. to be added automatically, so you can enable or disable this based on that. So once you make sure that the dictation feature is enabled, what you can do is you can only open any notepad or doc or documentation. So in this example, I would be using this Google Doc. In order to activate the dictation, like I said, I have the double press of command button will activate the dictation. So let me double press the command button on my keyboard. So you can see the dictation is enabled, and right now whatever I am speaking is automatically being recorded. So in order to stop the dictation, what you can do is you can simply just go and press the command button again. So the dictation has been stopped. Similarly, you can use the dictation anywhere on any browser. For example, if you want the dictation to be happened here, so I can just double tap the command key. This will start the dictation again, and I will stop it. So this is how you can use the dictation feature anywhere on your Mac system. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.